Good day everyone. Today I am going to present about preventing weed seed spreading via farm machinery. Our key message is clean machinery means healthy field. First let's understand what weeds are. Weeds are unwanted plants that grow in agricultural fields. They compete with crops for sunlight, water, nutrient and space. Weed seeds are very small and easy stick to machinery, tires, mud and farm tools. When machinery moves from one field to another, these seeds are carried with it. As a result, weed spread quickly between farms and become difficult to control. There are several weed seeds spread through machinery. First, mud attached to tractor tires can contain weed seed. Second, crop residues left on machines may carry seeds. Harvesters and tractors can move seed during field operations. Even small farm tools and trailers can spread wheat from one place to another. Therefore, machinery acts like a transport system for weeds. The main machinery involved in weed seed spread include tractor, harvesters, rotavators, plough and seed drills. These machines directly contact soil and crop residues during farming activities. Because they work in many fields, they can easily transfer weed seed if they are not cleaned properly. Among these, harvesters are especially risky because they collect large amount of plant material. Wheat spread creates many problems for farmers. It reduces crop yield because wheat competes with crop for nutrient and water. It also increases production costs since farmers must spend more money on herbicide and weed control method. In addition, heavy wheat infestation can damage farm productivity and reduce profit. So preventing wheat spread is very important for sustainable agriculture. One of the best prevention methods is cleaning machinery properly. Farmers should clean machinery before moving to another field. Mud plant material and weed seed should be removed carefully. Tires, blade, machine parts can be washed using water pressure or air pressure cleaning. Regular cleaning greatly reduces the movement of weed seed between fields. Farmers also need proper management practices. Machinery should be inspected regularly for mud and plant residues. Weed around farm road and field borders should be controlled. It is also better to harvest clean field first and infested field last. Training workers about weed spread is important because awareness helps prevent problems. There are many benefits of preventing weed spread. It helps protect crop yield and reduce weed infestation. Farmers can lower weed control costs and reduce herbicide use. Good preventing practices also improve farm hygiene and support healthy crop production. Overall, prevention saves both time and money. To conclude, preventing weed seed spread through farm machinery is essential for successful farming. Cleaning machinery and following simple management practice can stop weed from spreading between fields. As the presentation says, clean machinery means healthy field. Prevention is always easier and cheaper than controlling weeds later. Thank you.